guys, and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be talking about on how you can play Fortnite on stretch resolution. As you can see, I'm playing on 1440 times 1080, which is 4:3. And yeah, this is stretch resolution. Look at that, chunky. Everything's chunkier now. If I change over my skin to Travis Scott, even Travis Scott looks chunky, right? So how did I do this? First and foremost, you want to open up your NVIDIA control panel. I all tabbed out of the game, but not sure why NVIDIA control panel is that. Alright, so here, as you can see, this is my NVIDIA control panel. In my NVIDIA control panel, I created this custom resolution, which is 1440 times 1080, and this is currently my desktop resolution as well. So if I open up my desktop settings, right, my desktop resolution, advanced settings, is 1440 times 1080, right? And after putting this custom resolution, all you want to do is head over to your game settings and then put it on windowed full screen. If you do normal full screen, these are the only options you can play in. But if you do windowed full screen, it will have to match. When the window mode is set to windowed full screen, the resolution must match the native desktop resolution. Hence, it has to go in 1440 times 1080, otherwise it won't work. So this is your little cheat on how to get 1440 times 1080p on, or basically stretch resolution on Fortnite. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.